Welcome student. Today we are going to learn a new lesson and the name of the new lesson is A Letter from Hingoli. This lesson is actually a letter. Do you know? Before some years, people used to write a letter and they used to share their experience. Okay, but nowadays we have smartphones and we use smartphone to send messages through WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, and so on. But you must know how to write a letter. Okay, so let's see. First of all, look at the format of the letter. Here at the bottom of the letter, you can see the Raman. The letter is written by Raman. Patra Raman ने लिहिलेला आहे. Okay, so the name is given here at the bottom of the letter. First thing. Second thing is that the name of the village or address, Raman's address, Hingoli is the Raman's village. Okay, so it is given at the top of the letter. Third thing is date, 9th June 2015. Raman wrote this letter on 9th June 2015. Third thing. And fourth thing is that Raman has written this letter to Sanju Mama. And he says, My dear Sanju Mama. Okay, so these are the four things. This is the format of the letter. And in this letter, Raman shared his experience that in summer vacation he went to the Sagroli village. Okay, here is the Sagroli village and how he enjoyed at Sagroli village he is sharing in this letter. How he enjoyed there with his friends. He has many friends, but especially Tejas and Avdhut. So he is writing in this letter how he enjoyed there with Avdhut and Tejas. Secondly, he also write here that about the delicious food made by Meera Mami and Aji. And he also shared here that in the summer vacation he read many books in Azoba's library. Okay, so there are much more in this letter. Now we are going to read this letter. I am going to read this letter loudly and you open the page number 10 of your English textbook. Okay, and you also read silently with me. Okay, so let's start. A letter from Hingoli, page number 10. My dear, Hingoli, 9th June 2015. My dear Sanju Mama, I have reached Hingoli. How wonderful were the days we spent at Sagroli. Unforgettable moments. This summer vacation has added so many colorful memories to my life. Sanju Mama, I really miss Sagroli. At Sagroli, I enjoyed swimming in the Manjra river, playing with Tejas and Avdut on its banks, and going on long walk through the Balaghat hills, riding a buffalo on the way back home. I felt like the king of Sagroli. That lunch, wow, amras with kurdia, papadya and kanda bhaji. Meera Mai is a great cook, a master chef. Aji's Srikhanda Vadi is incomparable. How I enjoyed reading the bound volumes of Kishore, Champak, and Kumar in Kaka Azoba's library. I am looking forward to my visit to Sagroli next year. Give my regards to Aji, Azoba, Raju Mama, Shaila Mami, Meera Mami, and love and best wishes to Tejas and Avdhut. Yours lovingly, Raman. PS. PS means what? Postscript. Look at here at the bottom of this letter. PS. PS means what? Postscript. Okay. So what is the meaning of this postscript? Postscript means what? When after completing the letter, after the last point, yours lovingly Raman, after completing letter, if you forget something, some point, very important point, so you can write after the letter here by just adding PS. म्हणजे लेटर लिहून झाल्यानंतर तुम्हाला एखादी गोष्ट विसरलात तुम्ही, यू फॉरगॉट वन थिंग, तर तुम्ही लेटर लिहिल्यानंतर असं PS लिहून ती जी काय आठवलेली गोष्ट आहे ती तुम्ही लिहू शकता. नाव आय एम रीडिंग द PS. So what is Raman says? PS postscript, I am sending 2 postal stamps for Tejas and a matchbox cover for Avdhut for their collections. Okay. Now what we are going to do? We are going to complete all these activities. Okay. So now first of all, here activity number 1. Here are A, B, C, D, E, and activity number 2. Here are these questions. First of all, read the questions carefully. Where does Raman live? B. Where does Sanju Mama live? C. Name the river in Sagroli. D. Who has a library? E. If Raman made a list of his relatives at Sagroli, what names would he write? Relatives म्हणजे त्याचे नातेवाईकांची नावं इथे लिहायची आहेत. And second activity, list the interesting things that Raman did at Sagroli. Okay, what did Raman do at Sagroli? रमनने सागरोलीत कशी मजा केली ती एक लिस्ट बनवायची आहे. Now what you are going to do? You pause the video and read the letter and try to find out the answers of all these questions. Okay, now pause the video. After finding out the answers, you again play the video. I am going to tell you answer. Okay, now the first question, where does Raman live? So the answer is Raman lives in Hingoli. Okay, so you match the answer with my answer. Second question, where does Sanju Mama live? Answer is Sanju Mama lives in Sagroli. Third question, name the river in Sagroli. The river in Sagroli is Manjra. D. Who has a library? Answer is Kaka Azoba has a library. E. If Raman made a list of his relatives at Sagroli, what names would he write? So the answer is Sanju Mama, Meera Mami, Aji, Azoba, Raju Mama, Shaila Mami, Meera Mami, Kaka Azoba, Tejas and Avdhut. Okay. Now the second activity, list the interesting thing that Raman did at Sagroli. Ramanने काय काय केलं सागरोलीला? Okay, so the answer is, so look at the second passage, you will find out the answers. Okay, so Ramanने काय काय केलं? For example, I tell you one answer in the second example. The first line, I enjoy swimming. So how can we write the answer? Raman. Okay, for example, look at the screen. I just read the answer that Raman, for example, Raman enjoyed. Raman enjoyed. Okay, Raman enjoyed swimming in Manjra river. Okay, in this way you can make a list what Raman did in his village. Okay, and the answer is Raman enjoyed swimming in Manjra river. Second, Raman played. Played. Raman played with Tejas and Avdut on its banks. Third, Raman went on long walk through the Balaghat hills. Next, Raman rode a buffalo on the way back home. Okay, so this thing Raman enjoy there. Okay, now the next activity is spot the exclamation marks. Now look at this mark. This mark, look at the screen. This mark is called exclamatory mark. Okay, exclamation marks means when we express our emotions, at that time we give this mark. It is called exclamation mark. Okay, now what you are going to do, again you pause the video and look at the letter and try to find out the sentences which are given this mark. Okay, so pause the video. Okay, now I just tell you that here are some sentences which have the exclamation mark. For example, look at this sentence. How wonderful were the days we spent. So this line is the first answer. Then next is that where is that exclamation mark? Very beside this unforgettable moment, it has also the exclamation mark. Now the third, yes, here is that exclamation mark, that lunch. Okay, now we're close to that. Wow also. Okay, and where is the exclamation mark? Here I see exclamation mark, that how I enjoyed reading the Bounce volume of Kishore, Champak and Kumar at Kakazava's library. Okay, so these are the examples. Okay, so these are the sentences which have exclamation mark. Now what you are going to do? Now the next fourth activity is find and copy the non-English word in the letter. Non-English word. Okay, non-English word means what? The word which are not English word. Okay, that is called non-English word. In this letter there are many Marathi words. Okay, those words are called non-English word. Again you pause the video and try to find out non-English word from this letter. Okay, so now let's see non-English word. Here are so many non-English word. For example, amras, kurdai, papadya. Okay, then what non-English word are there? Kanda bhaji. See here, kanda bhaji also. Then aji srikhanda vadi also. Okay, and aji, ajoba. These are the non-English word. Okay, very good. Now see next is what activity? Make a list of your favorite food or dishes. Now here you pause the video, set an alarm for 2 minutes. 2 मिनिटासाठी तुम्ही अलार्म सेट करा आणि तुम्ही तुमच्या फेवरेट फूड्स जे आहेत काही पण असेल, जसे की आता कांदा पोहे असेल, ओके, मेदूवडा असेल, इडली असेल. सो राईट डाऊन ऑल these फूड्स आयटम, फेवरेट फूड आयटम within 2 minutes. Okay, so let's start. Pause the video and start. Okay, so now after 2 minutes, what you do, you count your food items and find out how many words, how many names of the foods are in English and how many names of the food are in Marathi, means non-English. Okay, so you find out that word. Okay, now see, activity C. List 5 of your favorite books or stories. Okay, so again, set an alarm for 2 minutes and write as many names of books or stories as you can. जेवढे तुम्हाला पुस्तकं, तुमची नावं तुम्हाला येतात ती लिहायला सुरुवात करा. चला, स्टार्ट. Okay, pause the video and start. Okay, now what you are going to do, again same thing. Now find out how many story names, books name are in English and how many story names, books name are in non-English, means Marathi or Hindi maybe. Okay, like this. Now the next activity is very important. What is the activity? Read the instruction. Find a smaller word. Smaller म्हणजे छोटा शब्द. Hidden in the following words. Okay, smaller word hidden in the following word. Now the word is rich. Rich हा शब्द आपल्याला दिला आहे. ह्या रिचमध्ये छोटे छोटे शब्द कुठले आहेत ते आपल्याला बघायचे आहेत. ओके, छोटा शब्द, ह्या रिचमध्ये छोटा शब्द. तर फॉर एक्झाम्पल, आता I just tell you the first example. I just tell you reach. So REACHED, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 letters are there. So I am going to find out the smaller word. So this is the smaller word, REACH, reach म्हणजे पोचणे. ओके, बरोबर ओळखलं. ओके, now the second word is, here is the second word and that is a each of the student, means pratyek, EACH. So there are two smaller words. The first word is which is that first word I got, that is reach, REACH, and second word which I got is each. Okay, two words I got, smaller words I got in this word. Okay, in this way you try to find out smaller word in this word: wonderful, unforgettable, and colorful, and incomparable, and lovingly. Okay, here are some words. So you try to find out smaller words hidden in this word. Okay, very good. Now here, sixth activity, ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers, actually we have already learned this activity. You have written all these ordinal numbers and coordinal numbers. Am I right? शिकलोय ना आपण हे सगळे. ओके, you have to memorize all these words. 1 to 100 words. Cardinal number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 to 100. Okay, and these are the ordinal numbers: first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, like this. These are the ordinal numbers. I think you may learn all these words or all these numbers in maths subject. Am I right? Okay, very good. So you memorize all these words and spellings and all that. So here, by using these ordinal numbers, we are going to read the date. Now look at this date. It is called 15th August. Now look at here. Here you can see that 15th. Okay, 15th. It is called as 15th. Okay, so in this way we can read this 15th of August. In this way it is called now 22. Okay, so 2. Now look at this number 2. 2 number is called second. Okay, So how can we read this date? 22nd December. Okay. Now third date is 6 is there. 6 means just 6. Okay, like here 6th. Okay, so the date can be read as 26th of January. Now here is the number 1. So 1 is like that. 1 is read like first, the first. It is called the first. Okay. So how can you read this date? May, the 1st of May. The 1st of May. Okay. Here also. Here see that again first has come, but this time 21st. It is called 21st of June. Okay. In this way we read the dates. Okay. So page number 11. Now you complete all these activities. Okay. So and read the letter again and try to write the letter to your relatives who live in village or who live in city like Mumbai, Pune, Kolhapur, Pandharpur, Nagpur, Nashik, or maybe Goa, or maybe out of our state. So you write a letter. That would be a practical knowledge. Okay, just reading this letter and just reading this letter and just solving this activity, so you might not understand how to write a letter, but the best way is that you write a letter to your friend. Okay, so now this is the activity. You write a letter to your friend and then that letter you send me that letter on the WhatsApp. म्हणजे काय मी सांगितलं की तुम्ही तुमच्या मित्राला एक असं पत्र लिहा. त्याच्यामध्ये तुम्ही तुमचा अनुभव सांगा. तुम्ही कुठे फिरायला गेलेला होता, गोव्याला, कोल्हापूरला, नाशिकला, मुंबईला, पुण्याला, तर ते त्या अनुभवाचं तुम्ही एक आधारित एक पत्र लिहा इन इंग्लिश ऑफकोर्स. ओके. आणि मग ते पत्र तुम्ही पाठवू पण शकता मित्राला, पण मला ते पत्र तुम्ही व्हॉट्सअपवर टाका. मग मी ते पत्र वाचतो आणि ज्याचं चांगलं पत्र असेल ते पत्र आपण 6th स्टँडर्डच्या व्हॉट्सअप ग्रुपवर पण टाकूया. ओके. जर काही डाऊट्स असेल, इफ यू हॅव एनी डाऊट्स, सो सेंड मी द मेसेज. ओके. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.